Are the brake lights stuck on your 240SX? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I fixed mine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come under the dash here, and there are two little rubber bumpers that go onto your brake pedal at the top. And if you're missing those, that's your issue. I'm going to lower the steering rack here just so that way I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So now that the steering rack is dropped, it's a little bit easier to see what's going on up there. So as you guys can see, there's actually a zip tie where that should have been. There's those two little holes up there for those rubber bumpers, and one doesn't have anything in it, so the bumper isn't being pushed. You guys can see these are the two electrical connectors for these plungers, and basically those rubber bumpers push on those plungers, and it pushes it in, and that's what deactivates your brake lights. So obviously without the rubber bumpers, your brake lights are going to stay on just like this. Now, if those rubber bumpers are still on the car, then you might have to get a new plunger assembly for it. This is a much less common issue, but it is still possible. But as you guys saw with mine, I don't have the rubber bumpers anymore on mine. Somebody replaced them with zip ties, so I'm going to replace those. So these right here are exactly what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, these just push right onto your brake pedal assembly, and then they'll push in the plunger. So now I'm just going to cut off the zip ties, and I'm going to replace them with these. Oh, this is going to be such a pain in my cock. All right, well, that was about as fun as a kick in the balls, but it's finally done. Anytime that I'm under the dash, I just want to hang myself, so yeah, super fun time. But the brake lights work again, so I'm happy. All right, guys, as you can see, both of those rubber bumpers are in there. It's hard to see the other one, but you can see that one right there. It's pushing up against that plunger, and it's working great. Don't mind the messy interior. I'm still putting it back together, but as you guys can see, every time that I push the brakes, the lights are activated, so that's exactly what's supposed to happen. All right, guys, that is it for this one, but if that helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.